Wagwan, you're welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to edit and delete your song on Audiomack. I'll be giving you the step-by-step guide. Make sure you don't skip any part of the video so you can get something from this video. If you're new here on my channel, I'm TITTLE aka Superstar Trap Boy. Kindly click on the subscribe button below and don't forget to click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. If you're interested in the video, now let's get into it. Okay, right now we'll get into the video. I'll be showing you how to delete and edit your song on Audiomack. The first thing you have to do is to click on this drop down at the right up of the dashboard over here where you can see my name, TITTLE. I'm clicking on this drop down. You can see this small arrow over here beside my picture over here. I'll click on the drop down, and I'll click on creator dashboard. That's the second thing I'll click on, creator dashboard. Okay, I'm there on my creator dashboard. Then I will scroll down. Okay, this is where I can find my content, the top performing content. When you saw your content right now, I have only 3 releases. So left, for example, maybe if I want to edit me, if I want to edit it, I'll click on this settings button, this action, the yellow button of this action. I'll click on it like this. Okay, as you can see all the options: edit song, view song, delete song. If I'm to edit the song, then I click on edit song. Okay, then edit this song and I will enter anything I want to enter in the song. But right now I don't have anything to edit on this song. Hope you can see it. This is how to go about it. Then let me go back. You've understand that. Let me show you how to delete your song. Okay, now let me show you how to delete your song. You go on to the same step again. Click on the drop down over here, go to creator dashboard, and then come over to actions, and then you click on delete song. Then it will ask you if you want to delete it. If you need to change some of the information, then you click on delete song. Hope you can see that. Yeah, that's how to go about that. If you enjoyed the video, kindly click on the like button and let me know what you think in the comment section. If you don't get it, then you can go over the video, watch it over and over till you are getting it. Let me know what you think in the comment section once again. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the red subscribe button below and don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. I'm TITTLE aka Superstar Trap Boy. Meet you in the next video. Peace.